here we are again, fuck faces. When a buddy gets a hold of you to work on his fucking truck, usually you're like, bring it on over. Yeah, until you realize it's this fucking truck. Rebuilding a transfer case today. Fuck. So you fucking degens, work on what is this, fucking 85, 86, I don't fucking know, it doesn't really fucking matter. Chevy k20. Normally these trucks are fucking badass, I mean this one is. But, between the previous fucking farmer and the current owner, this thing is fucked. Roadkill style list. I mean, this is the kind of quality I'm talking about here. Just, you know, sheet metal screw on the patch panel. Yeah. So I'm doing the T case, rebuilding it because it doesn't want to stay in fucking 4 high. Normal Chevy problem. Well, normal new process gear problem. Well, fun fact, they're only made about 30 minutes away from here, from where I live, until they fucking went bankrupt. Shame. So pretty much any transfer case any of you fucks have in your fucking trucks, if it's made by New Process Gear or New Venture Gear, it was close to home. But yeah, so we got one side exhaust on here with headers, but the other side, nice blown out muffler. This thing just leaks every kind of fluid like a Chevy does. That's, you don't gotta worry about that. Oh, brand new fuel pump. Oh wait, it's not hooked up because it's fucking already shit the goddamn bed. Mint fucking header. This right here is just all about aerodynamics. I'm pretty sure that's brake cooling right there too. This is nut cooling right here on the firewall. In those hot days. Oh, stock manifold. Oh yeah, no fender well. Fender well. That's definitely for cornering. I mean, it looks good until you realize it's just all sheet metal screwed in place. I'll give them. I mean, that's beautiful. Even sheet metal screwed together, the body mount, the actual. I mean, he's trying. It's better than fucking. Because it's a Chevy. You can still drive it. It's falling apart, but everything runs great still. But basically, I'm just on farmering, or cheap farmer. I got nothing against farmers, by the way. They're fucking backbone of America, by far. But I've worked for a few of them over the years, definitely. And actually, one of them was a K10 truck. This guy's name was fucking Buster, like literally. Oh, look, there's the other header. Anyways, this fuck was named Buster. And I'd go up there, work for him. And he found out I was a mechanic, so he's like, oh, I'll fix my truck. It was a K10. And the guy was so fucking cheap, he spent more money on JB Weld and paying me on fucking time than it would have just buy a new tank and put it in. But, you know, unfortunately, you gotta do what you gotta do to get by. So, that's the story of today. More or less just unfuckulating this thing slowly. The owner, he's definitely been doing some work on it. He's trying. But, what can I say? Rust. Yeah, story of fucking living in New York. Lots of salt fucking used and everything else. Ooh. That's the best exhaust hanger right there. But the reason this fucking truck's getting a lot of fucking work done is you can see the frame's scaling, but it is still fucking solid. Put a new heater core in it today or yesterday too. Hopefully the fucker has heat after this. There's the old one. It's just a little blown out. I mean, it's fine. As well as a fucking dirty old plow truck. And we actually took the plow off, the plow frame, because it actually rotted off the truck. Frame was fine. It's just the plow frame has been cobbled together over the years several times. But yeah, anyways, you fucks, we're rebuilding this fucker today. NP208, right hand side drop, because it's a fucking square body. Yeah. I've never actually rebuilt a fucking transfer case, but how fucking hard can it be? I can kind of read. I mean, you know, I made it through the 5th grade anyways. So, we'll fucking give her a try and see what the fuck happens here, guys. He's fought me for a while yesterday. Nothing like putting back in pretty much almost machine around fucking hardware. Let it rust and just say fuck the next guy. I mean, I'll give him credit. He did try a little bit, put a little bit of never sees on there, but these were probably done back in 1999. Yeah. So this is what this fucking thing's doing. This is the complaint. This is too high. Shift it to 4 high. No, that's neutral. There's 4 high. Start spinning. And blammo. Kicked out. There's 4 high again. Watch. Yeah, nothing's fucking spinning. So I'm going to do a thing that's unheard of is just, you know, disassemble it without watching a fucking YouTube video. I'll, you know, watch one if I get stumped, but I'm guessing speed sensor has to come off, the fucking extension housing here has to fucking fuck off. And then, yeah, probably just take the fucking bolts out and, you know, there she be. I mean, obviously you gotta take the fucking pinion off here. We'll fucking figure it out together. I don't give a fuck. I ain't scared. You can't be fucking scared with shit. That's the problem, people. You get fucking scared and woo, that's when you fuck up. So this is definitely the years with GMs where they part of the fasteners are standard, others are metric. This is hell. A lot of metric fits, but you got to go on how it fits. Sometimes you can get away with a metric on a standard, other times you can't. Yep, nothing for it. I mean, a guy's got brass chisels and everything, but why would you grab the right fucking tool? Hey, she's spinning. Hooray. Let's rock this fucking horror back and forth here. Break out all that fucking corrosion that's in there. Yes, you heard me, fucking corrosion. It's aluminum. Ha! I fucking win. Only minimal breakage. It's fine. We believe this transfer case, at least this extension housing, has been off before. Just by the non-factory looking silicone deal. Now one fellow is like, yep, use the right tool. Well, why would you? You're not a fucktard. This will work just fine. I'm gonna have to use a fucking screwdriver on this too, so whatever. Alright, I guess I will use the right fucking tool. Finally fucking breaking a little bit here. Come on, you dirty fucking bitch. Let me just have a peek at your insides. I don't mean it in a dirty way. Or do I? Oh yeah. It's submitting. Oh yeah. There's a bearing in there. I don't know what any of this does. So we're just gonna take the grate off. Ooh. Seal. Like these guys. This is about the only good thing about making a fucking YouTube video. Is at least I can rewind the video and see how it came apart.
Yes, divorce itself.
Dun, dun, dun. Oh wow, that's a lot of metal. Oh, you. Here, guys, you be the judge. Ha. Ha.
This magnet. Oh. Dude. Oh, that's a lot of aluminum.
A lot of everything.
Well, something's got to be broke. That's bearing material. Or something.
Sure.
Okay, the chain's not supposed to be that loose, is it? So
Yeah, here's your magnet, Ryan. Look at the chunks that are on it.
I don't want to. I can just pretend it's not there, right?
These are actual chunks, though.
Wait, if it's on the magnet, that's not aluminum. Ah, that's steel. Is that a bearing or something?
Oh, there's plenty more.
I'm taking my coat
You know what, Ryan? You're just making never sees. That's all you're doing.
You know, I was actually just thinking that. It looks like
oh yeah, here's
silicone?
Yeah, it was wrapped around the magnet.
Yeah. Well, whoever had this case apart last used too much.
Good chunker there. I mean, this is
high quality. I mean, we could sell this. What is that, like $6?
People pay good money for never sees.
That's like what, $6 a bottle, right?
I mean, fuck, I might actually just say that.
Oh my gosh. Put it on the bolts when you put it. Oh wait, we want Loctite.
Dude, this.
Oh crap! I wore a mechanic shirt today.
Feeling fancy now?
Mostly, I don't want to trash my shirts.
This is real mechanic attire. Just whatever fucking junk there is.
Cintas. This is from working in an oil change place when I was like 19.
Right, you stole that from Midas.
No, this one's from Walmart, TLE, when I was 19 years old.
I was gonna say, watch out, if fucking Mr. Blowhard, whatever fucking district manager, Fred fucking douchebag, was fucking douche flute.
Dude, he held my check for like 2 weeks. I'm like, hey,
yeah.
By the way.
Yeah, you guys, if you ever want to work at Monroe or Midas, just put a bullet in your head now. Save yourself the time. $3. That is an opinion, not a fact.
Your mileage may vary.
Yeah, exactly.
Like a Prius gets 55 miles per gallon, right?
Yep.
No,
yep, all the time.
Not if you drove one.
It get less than my LS Blazer.
So I thought I was doing a good thing, just rebuild the stock case, and it's technically a shift on the fly, so if you're going like 25 or less, you can ease it in there.
Alright, well that pin comes out.
Oh, you got it. There's one on this guy. Oh, these are clutches or something.
Those are shims, I think.
Oh, so
Nope, needle bearings.
make sure them are stacked the way they go.
Yeah, there's one there.
You said the square body at Vince's was a C series.
Yeah.
Nope.
Never mind.
It's blind.
Kiss all those needle bearings. Goodbye.
So
Yeah, that
shift fork assembly is busted. Oh, there's the friction material. That's been done before.
yeah, you need a new shift fork, Ryan. It's worn right through.
Well, this is the problem.
Well, everything fell apart and then I had no choice but to
Well,
break.
that's the range.
That is literally paper thick. Wow.
So is the other shift fork something?
I mean,
Clean, one owner.
oh, okay. The whole thing just comes out. Oh, and there's that guy that sits in the hole here.
I don't actually see anything that's like physically broken, knock on particle board.
Yeah. Oh, there's real wood under there.
Oh, okay. Knock on wood. Oh, you have it.
Well, like I just explained to the camera before you got here. That's the plus about making a YouTube video. I got a reference.
Oh, that's great.
There we go.
What in the world? Oh,
That's
there's
your
a
full
sub
low.
gear.
Look at all the fucking metal in there, dude.
Gear?
Yeah.
So,
Here, give me those. Where did this just come from? Oh, this is.
that's
Yeah.
That's your four.
Yeah.
The 4 low selector.
Some of yours still looks alright.
Yeah. X230. Oh, yeah. The computer was on with YouTube.
Just to show you guys.
Just
Look at that mint fucking shift fork. I mean, it's got the custom fucking. You know, that's adjustable right there.
yeah.
Why wouldn't you have a pile of fucking needle bearings everywhere?
Yeah. Oops.
Yep, this is gonna be fun.
But that
That's how you take it apart, though.
won't work for.
And fucking rebuilt. Nah, just kidding. I ended up picking up this low mileage unit of what was it, 86 CU CV K30. Drove fucking 3 hours one way to get it. It was down by the fucking city, the shitty city. But yeah, I mean, basically what it was, it came down to, it was $40-something for the new shift fork, and we would have had to wait for it. But instead, we got this transfer case right here for $100 The guy was doing a Cummins swap on his fucking dirty old fucking truck. But yeah, we got it off him. Fucking cool ass guy. And I mean, really, this transfer case might only have like under 10,000 miles on it. And I could believe that. I mean, you can see the fucking writing on the goddamn thing. But this is the big thing right here. Too high. For high. Oh, what do you know? Everything fucking spins and doesn't kick out. There's 4 low. What do you know? It all works. It's almost like it's meant to do that. But yeah, that's fucking today's video here, guys. If you like this shit and want more fucking tech videos, definitely let me know in the comments. I hope it wasn't too fucking boring for you. Still getting used to this fucking shit, you know, but I figured I'd share with you guys the absolute quality of this fucking gem of a truck right here. So remember, don't put your hands any place you won't put your dick.